just stopped at the Coshocton Hospital to get my sit in the wet seat to get my blood drawn, so we could. My heart doctor Duffy wanted blood test, and then my new family physician that he hooked me up with, because I don't believe in doctors, she wanted a blood test also. Hers, I know, is for my prostate. She wants to see if I've got something that she can get in and dig around in me. And him, he just wants to see how cholesterol and all that stuff's going, so with the new medicines he gave me. So hopefully they all come out okay. But as you can see, everything's fairly well wet, soaked. I just woke up at probably about 2, a little bit after 2, I woke up. Last night at work, I had my lunch at 2:30. So before you get blood drawn for all these tests and stuff, they recommend 12 hours of no eating or drinking. So at 3 o'clock yesterday, it was after lunch, so I thought, well, okay, 3 o'clock tomorrow, I can get my blood tests. So I got up and came up here. I asked the wife, I said, how's the weather out there? She just says, well, it's not quite as hot as it was yesterday, but it's really nice out. And I said, oh, okay. So I just wanted to take the bike. Never says a thing, you know. Never says a thing. But I go out and get on the bike. As I'm riding, I notice that, well, it looks to me like it's starting to get cloudy. Huh. Oh, now it's cloudier than heck. Been raining and everything. It's like, if she knew the weather forecast, why didn't she tell me it's going to rain? Because, you know, I just got up. I ain't listening to no radio or anything. And oh, 100% chance of rain today. Oh, okay. You know, that'd been a nice thing to tell me. Hey, I'm going to take the bike. But I got probably just within the Coshocton city limit sign when it started sprinkling. So I wasn't on the road too long, getting too wet before I got to the hospital to go get my blood drawn. But I know I did get a little wet because I'm on the way home now. And I'm chilly. Yeah, that's how wet I got, enough where I'm chilly now. It isn't raining at this moment. Of course, cars passing me, they're gonna slap their water on me. That's nice of them. But I'm not gonna go that fast. I'm cold. You people want to pass, you better move on around because you're about to the end of it. Well, I guess I'll have to pick up speed now. I'm almost at the end of the double. 2-lane, we're going to the single lane. That means I'm going to be jamming up traffic if I don't put her down. So I think I'll go ahead and get off now. Try to navigate my way home in the rain and have a great day, I guess, the rest of my day, once I get home and get dried off. So y'all have a great day, and I'll try to have a great day, and we'll all see you next Tuesday, and we'll have a great day on next Tuesday, and etc., etc. And, oh yeah, okay. And this is the Buckeye John on my 2010 Honda Sabre LXT 1300 limited edition, special edition, the only one ever built for me edition. Have a great day. And just remember, the best thing the doctors told me on the way out was, John, I'm going to give you diabetes.